Looking for the best car dashcam in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best car dashcam available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The UHD 4K Wi-Fi dashcam dual lens driving recorder is a reliable and feature-packed solution for everyday driving security. Its front camera captures sharp 4K footage, while the optional 1080p rear camera provides additional coverage for enhanced protection. Built-in Wi-Fi allows quick video access and sharing through a smartphone app, making footage management simple and convenient. The GPS function records driving routes and speed data for added evidence when needed. With 24-hour parking monitoring, the dashcam continues protecting your vehicle even when parked. Easy to install and operate, this DVR offers excellent video quality, useful smart features, and dependable performance at a competitive price. Number 4. The ADAS Dashcam 4K 2.5K GPS Wi-Fi Car DVR is an impressive driving companion that combines high-resolution recording with advanced safety features. The 4K front camera captures exceptional detail, while the optional rear lens provides comprehensive coverage around your vehicle. ADAS technology enhances driving safety by offering intelligent alerts and assistance on the road. Built-in GPS accurately records routes and speed data, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows convenient access to videos through a smartphone app. Its excellent night vision performance ensures clear footage in low-light conditions, and 24-hour parking monitoring adds extra security. Compact, reliable, and feature-rich, it delivers outstanding value. Number 3. The 3-channel Wi-Fi 4K dashcam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking complete vehicle coverage and enhanced security. Its 4K front camera captures sharp, detailed footage, while the interior camera and 1080p rear camera record activity inside and behind the vehicle. The advanced night vision feature delivers clear recordings even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for nighttime driving. Built-in Wi-Fi allows quick video viewing and downloads through a smartphone app, while GPS accurately tracks routes and speed. With 24-hour parking monitoring, this dashcam provides continuous protection, offering peace of mind and reliable evidence whenever needed. Number 2. The Yazdone 4K Dashcam M550 Pro is a feature-rich and dependable car DVR designed to provide comprehensive driving protection. Its 4K front camera captures exceptionally sharp footage, making it easy to identify important details such as license plates and road signs. The upgraded built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures faster and more stable video transfers to your smartphone, while GPS accurately records routes and speed information. The optional rear camera expands coverage for added security. Night vision performance is impressive, delivering clear recordings in low-light environments. With reliable parking monitoring, user-friendly controls, and solid build quality, the M550 Pro offers excellent value for everyday drivers. Number 1. The 70mm Dashcam 4K T800 is a premium dash camera that delivers outstanding performance and advanced security features. Its 4K resolution captures crystal-clear footage with excellent detail, while the 3-channel recording system provides comprehensive front, rear, and interior coverage. HDR technology enhances image quality in challenging lighting conditions, and the supercapacitor design improves durability in extreme temperatures. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast video transfers, while GPS accurately records driving data and routes. The optional 4G module UP04 enables real-time alerts and remote monitoring for added peace of mind. Reliable parking surveillance and easy operation make the 70mm T800 an excellent investment.